Hello, all you YouTube short video lovers. I will share with you some basic knowledge about microfiber absorbent towels to help you make better choices.
The main feature of microfiber towels is that they are very delicate and soft, and also have very strong cleaning and breathable functions. This is a poor quality microfiber towel. It can be seen that its weaving is not dense enough, the aperture is relatively large, and the water absorption is not good enough.
Looking at our microfiber towel, we can see that it is densely woven, the diameter of the fibers in the towel is very small, and the degree of bending is also small, so that it can achieve soft hand feel, good ventilation, and also has a very strong cleaning function.
Let's look at its edging technology. The stitches are delicate, the delicate edging does not fall off the line, and it is durable and washable. However, this common hemming technique is not ideal. Easy to hook silk, easy to take off the thread, and the fibers are scattered. Microfiber towels can be customized in many sizes and colors. Next, we will show the size of this microfiber towel. The blue one is 40 centimeters, the green one is 30 centimeters. If you need other sizes, we can customize it for you. Let's try its water absorption. It absorbs quickly when you pour it on, and it won't drip when you pick it up. It can be seen that it is highly absorbent. This microfiber absorbent towel is not only strong in water absorption and decontamination, but also has many uses. The common ones are hair drying towel, bath towel, car towel, table towel, dish towel, gift towel, etc. These cleaning towels easily capture dirt and dust, are scratch resistant, and are suitable for a variety of surfaces. Water droplets on the desktop, wipe with a microfiber towel, and dry immediately without leaving traces. It can also be suitable for kitchen towels, wiping tableware, decontamination, oil removal and self-cleaning functions. Wipe the dust on the LCD screen to make the screen clearer without traces. Look at the dirt on the table, wipe it off with our microfiber towel. It is very clean. The microfiber towel can absorb the dirt between the fibers. The dirt will not enter the inside of the fiber, and the fiber is high in fineness and density. Therefore, the absorption capacity is strong, and after use, you only need to wash it with water or a little detergent. The microfiber towel can also be used as a car towel. It feels extremely soft and is especially suitable for wiping bright paint surfaces. No damage to car paint, better cleaning of your car. At the same time, the glass is cleaned during the car filming process, which can achieve the ideal filming effect. Microfiber towels are lint-free and high-strength synthetic filaments, which are not easy to break, do not spin, do not fall off loops, and the fibers are not easy to fall off the surface of the towel. And very durable. Because the diameter of the microfiber material is relatively small, its bending stiffness will be very small, and the hand feeling of the microfiber is particularly soft. It is extremely soft and has good hygroscopicity. Microfiber towels are lint-free and high-strength synthetic filaments, which are not easy to break, do not spin, do not fall off loops, and the fibers are not easy to fall off the surface of the towel. And very durable. Because the diameter of the microfiber material is relatively small, its bending stiffness will be very small, and the hand feeling of the microfiber is particularly soft. It is extremely soft and has good hygroscopicity.